everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing this new hybrid carry-on that I got from MONOS. Let's get to it. And this is the silver color. They had black, they had I think rose gold and silver, and I almost ordered the black one and then I changed my mind because I actually really like how my silver aluminum carry-on looks like. And as usual, it comes with the dust bag. These are my favorite dust bags, and this is it. Oh, it's really tight. Okay, so first impressions. It does look pretty convincing, especially from far away. Of course, from up close, you can tell it's not an aluminum suitcase. It has aluminum elements, like some of these you can see here. And also what I like about this is that there's no zipper. There are just two locks, TSA locks. So it's much more comfortable to use because I honestly hate using the zippers on all of the carry-ons. It's just so much easier to just, open this up. Okay. It's pretty nice. It's so much easier to close. Zippers. It's very light. Wow, that's actually pretty impressive. This is polycarbonate and some aluminum accents, but it looks spectacular. Again, I love MONOS wheels. They are very good quality. 360 wheels. It slides smoothly. Telescopic handle. Honestly, mine on the level 6 luggage works and honestly feels better. This one's a little... I'm actually surprised. Okay. I just can't get over how light it is. That's so nice. And it comes with a pocket here, smaller items, 2 foot size. See what's inside of here. Okay, we get 2, actually 3. I love this. Oh, this is so nice. 3 shoe or dirty laundry bags. These actually I use a lot. They're amazing, so this is great. I'll get a little sponge to clean your luggage with. This comes handy. It's like a magic eraser. And we also get a nice tag for your luggage. This also is very high quality, so it's always nice that it comes with these accessories for free. A lot of other companies charge for all of that stuff, so this is kind of premium. Yeah, it's very nice. And we get another huge compartment here. This is a lot of room, so again, honestly, this is very nice. You get the looks and you get the functionality of having no zipper, but also just so nice. Okay, and just for comparison, this is my aluminum level 8 carry-on. Let's see. Honestly, they're comparable weight, which is surprising. I guess this one was actually not that heavy. Let's weigh this. Let's start with MONOS. Let's see. How much you weigh? 4.5. Okay, 4.5 kilograms. And around 9 pounds, 8.96. So, okay, let's see my level. My level 8 is actually bigger, as you can see. Like,
won't fit in as many compartments.
Let's see how heavy it is. Okay, it is heavier. It's 10.44 pounds.
2 pounds. Ooh.
Yes, so it is heavier, but I honestly expect it to be much heavier. Yeah.
I mean, this MONOS bag looks nice. Obviously, it's not actual aluminum, but I'll take the weight difference. And I still get the things on the side. I hate the zipper.
I know, the zipper is helpful. Yeah.
I like it. I think it looks nice. The paint's very convincing.
Yes, it is, yeah.
Yeah, obviously
That's
it's not
pretty cool.
aluminum, but who cares?